Hi guys, so this video is on my analysis of previous year's questions in UPSC Prelims, and this video covers Indian art and culture of 2017 and 2016 and 2015 UPSC examinations. So beginning with the coming straight to the point. So beginning with the first 2017 we'll be covering. So in 2017 again there was a question on religious philosophies in India. So we need to be very thorough with the sects of Jainism and Buddhism and learn about its teachings, beliefs, how it was formed. All this is very important. Then second question was on cave paintings of Ajanta, Badami, Bagh, Ellora. So we need to be very thorough, where these what do these caves have cave paintings, if they have, which god they worship. So it is very important to be thorough with this understanding. Then third question was on festival versus communities. Again we need to be very thorough with festivals and the communities which celebrate it. So whenever we study festivals, music, art, anything, then we need to relate it to this place and also the tribe or the community of people who are related to that form of culture. So UPSC asked that kind of questions. Then a question was asked on sun temples and its location. So we need to be we need to know all the locations of sun temples. Like we have to learn a lot, I guess. Then fifth question, it was on Manipuri Sankirtana. So we need to know what instruments were used, who is worshipped, like where it is mostly celebrated. All these things we need to be thorough with. These were 5 questions in 2017 which I found from art and culture. So this is my analysis of it. Now moving to 2016, there were 2 questions. So in the first part, again there was a question on sects of Buddhism. I keep stressing because I found many times and I've written it many times, sects of Buddhism, Jainism, sects of Buddhism, Jainism. So it is very important. Then second question is on historical places. Like there were 2 places mentioned and we have to see when it was formed and what architecture importance that place holds and what is the religious denomination. So I conclude from this that we need, whenever there is a place, we need to see is there an architecture, historical importance to that place attached to it or not, and if it is, then what it is, and if it is a religious temple or a temple thing, then a temple so that we have to also see which religious denomination it holds, what faith it holds. So we need to be thorough with it. Temple like structure, yeah. In 2015 there was a question on paintings and textile. So I have written it that way. There was a question of a painting and we had to see in which location that painting is mostly done and on what cloth, like cotton, silk, woolen. So we need to be thorough with that also. So when we do handicrafts and all, we need to be thorough with which painting is done on what type of cloth, where is it done, in which state, and what is is there any special emotion, significance attached to that painting or not. And second is the chronological order of monuments, temples and sculptures. So this is one thing I guess we can find in Fine Arts NCERT Part 1. So here what we can do is whenever we study about monuments, temples and sculptures, we also need to see who built it. So if we know who and we have studied ancient history well, then we will be able to decide in what order in what order they were built, and we will be easily able to answer the question. So that's it, I guess. So in the next video I will be covering 2014 only, because 2014 had many questions, 16 questions on Indian art and culture, so that I will be dealing with separately. And in the last video we will be having 2013, 2000 and 2012. So that will cover our analysis on Indian art and culture prelims examination. So see you in the next video.